In this video, we show how to replace the PERC module on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the PERC module, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the PERC module, you must first remove the cover, air shroud, fan assembly, and drive backplane cover. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the air shroud, hold the edges of the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To remove the fan cage assembly, lift the blue release levers, then, holding the release levers, lift it away from the system. To remove the drive backplane cover, slide it towards the back and lift it from the system. To remove the PERC module, loosen the two captive screws, securing it in place. Slide and pull the module to disengage it from the back plane, then disconnect the cables. To install the PERC module, connect the cables, then align and slide in the PERC module into the slot on the system. Tighten the captive screws that secure it into place. To install the drive backplane cover, align it with the guide slots on the system and slide it towards the front of the system. To install the fan cage assembly, align the guide rails with the standoffs on the system. Press release levers to lock the assembly into the system. To install the air shroud, align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system. Then, lower it into the system until it is firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.